Social and moral development is a crucial aspect of educational psychology, especially for those of us in the field of education. It shapes not only how students interact with each other, but also how they understand their own values and ethics. Let's dive into what this means for us as educators. First, let's define social development. It refers to the process by which individuals learn to interact with others, develop relationships, and understand social norms. Moral development, on the other hand, is about understanding right from wrong and developing a sense of justice and ethics. These two areas are intertwined. As students learn to navigate social situations, they also grapple with moral dilemmas. Why is this important in education? Well, social and moral development lays the foundation for a positive classroom environment. When students feel connected and understand the importance of empathy and respect, they're more likely to engage in collaborative learning. This not only enhances their academic performance, but also prepares them to be responsible citizens. Now, let's talk about the stages of social and moral development. According to developmental theorists like Lawrence Kohlberg, moral development occurs in stages. He proposed three main levels: pre-conventional, conventional, and post-conventional. In the pre-conventional stage, children make decisions based on the consequences for themselves. As they progress to the conventional stage, they start to consider societal rules and the expectations of others. Finally, in the post-conventional stage, individuals develop their own moral principles, which may even challenge societal norms. Understanding these stages helps us tailor our teaching strategies to meet students where they are. From an Islamic perspective, social and moral development is deeply rooted in the teachings of the Quran and Hadith. Concepts like justice, compassion, and community are emphasized. For instance, the idea of ummah encourages students to think beyond themselves and consider the welfare of others. This perspective can enrich our curriculum and provide a moral framework that resonates with many students. So how can we, as teachers, promote social and moral development in our classrooms? First, we can create a safe and inclusive environment where students feel valued and respected. This involves setting clear expectations for behavior and modeling empathy in our interactions. Encouraging group work and collaborative projects can also foster social skills, as students learn to communicate and resolve conflicts together. Additionally, integrating discussions about ethics and moral dilemmas into our lessons can stimulate critical thinking. For example, presenting real-world scenarios that require students to consider different perspectives can deepen their understanding of moral reasoning. We can also draw upon stories from various cultures, including Islamic teachings, to highlight diverse moral values and social responsibilities. In conclusion, social and moral development is not just an abstract concept, it's a vital part of our role as educators. By understanding the stages of development and incorporating diverse perspectives, we can nurture well-rounded individuals who are not only academically proficient, but also socially responsible and ethically aware. This is the essence of education, shaping not just minds, but hearts as well.